Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and the Google Pixel update for November 2024 is now rolling out to eligible devices, and those eligible devices are the Pixel 6 or newer, so the Pixel 6, 7, 8, 9, and all the variants in between there, 6A, 7A, Pro, XL, all that kind of stuff are now available. So if you haven't already, make sure you check for this update. And you're going to want to go into your system settings. So I am on the QPR, I think it's 2 beta right now, so it may look a little bit different, but the update is going to be generally in the same spot. Of course, I'm not going to have an available update because, again, I am on the beta, so this is not going to do the November update. But you're going to want to find your system settings. Again, it may be closer to the bottom for you guys on the regular Android 15 version, not on the beta. And if you are on the beta, you're not going to get this update, like I said, and you're going to want to find software updates right down here. And then this will look the same to you guys, but system update right here, and your system is up to date. If it says this and you haven't done the November update, make sure you push this check for update button right here. And you may even want to do it, 2 or 3 times if it still says you're up to date, because sometimes it has to recheck for that update before it actually shows up. And if you're on a carrier device and you're not getting the update still, you may want to wait a little bit longer. Sometimes some carriers take a little bit longer to roll out the updates than others, but the update is now available and rolling out. So make sure you go in there and check for that update. It's about 50 megabytes, again, carrier dependent right there, but it is available, it is rolling out, and you should get it within the next few days if you don't already have it available for download. And that's just going to be bug fixes, software improvements, and stuff like that in the newer security patch for Android 15 on Pixel phones. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.